For Smithtown homeowners, your doors are more than just entry points. They're vital to your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal. Over time, however, daily use, seasonal weather changes, and natural wear can cause your doors to warp, stick, or lose their insulating efficiency. When that happens, the big question arises: should you repair your doors or replace them entirely? Both options have their benefits, but choosing the right solution depends on the condition of your door, your home's needs, and your long-term goals. Here's what every Smithtown homeowner should know when deciding between door repair and replacement. When door repair makes sense, not every damaged or aging door needs to be replaced. In some cases, a professional repair can restore its function and appearance at a lower cost. Minor cosmetic damage: if your door has minor scratches, small dents, or faded paint, repair and refinishing can bring it back to life. Sanding, repainting, or replacing hardware can give your entryway a fresh, polished look without the cost of a full replacement. Slight misalignment or drafts: doors that stick or let in slight drafts might just need adjustments or new weather stripping. Over time, humidity and temperature changes in Smithtown can cause frames to shift slightly. A technician can realign the hinges or add insulation to stop drafts and improve energy efficiency. Hardware or component issues: if your locks, handles, or hinges are the problem, these can often be repaired or replaced without changing the entire door. A quick hardware upgrade can also boost your security and add a modern look. In short, if the door's structure is still sound and it functions relatively well, repair is often a cost-effective solution. When door replacement is the better choice, sometimes, though, the damage or inefficiency goes beyond what repairs can fix. In these cases, door replacement offers a smarter long-term investment for your Smithtown home. Severe warping or structural damage: wood doors, in particular, can warp or crack due to Long Island's humidity, seasonal rain, and temperature changes. Once a door's structure is compromised, repairs can only provide temporary relief. A new, well-insulated door ensures better security and long-lasting performance. Poor energy efficiency: if you notice higher heating or cooling bills, your door could be letting in outside air. Older doors, especially those with poor ceiling or single-pane glass, often can't compete with today's energy-efficient models that feature advanced insulation, composite materials, and weatherproof seals. Replacing your door with an energy-efficient fiberglass or steel option can make a noticeable difference in comfort and energy savings, particularly during Smithtown's cold winters and humid summers. Outdated or damaged appearance: if your front door looks worn or outdated, replacing it can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. A modern door with the right color, glass accents, and hardware can give your home a stylish, welcoming upgrade. A new door also boosts property value, making it a worthwhile improvement if you're planning to sell your home in the near future. Security concerns: doors that no longer close tightly or have compromised locks pose serious safety risks. Today's replacement doors often come with multi-point locking systems, reinforced cores, and impact-resistant glass, providing stronger protection for your family and belongings. Factors to consider before deciding: when choosing between repair and replacement, it's important to evaluate a few key factors. Age of the door: older doors often lack modern insulation and security features, making replacement more practical. Extent of damage: cosmetic or mechanical issues may be worth repairing, but major structural damage usually calls for replacement. Energy costs: rising utility bills might indicate your door isn't sealing properly, even if it looks fine. Aesthetic goals: if you're updating your home's exterior, a new door can make a big impact. If you're unsure, a professional door inspection can help you assess the condition and provide honest recommendations tailored to your home. The value of professional expertise: whether you opt for repair or replacement, working with experienced local door specialists in Smithtown ensures quality results. They can identify hidden issues like frame rot, air leaks, or misalignment that DIY fixes might overlook. A professional installation also guarantees a snug fit, proper sealing, and long-term performance, protecting your investment and improving comfort year-round. Final thoughts for homeowners in Smithtown. The decision between door repair and replacement depends on balancing short-term costs with long-term benefits. If your door only needs minor touch-ups, repair may suffice. But for improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, and a fresh aesthetic, door replacement is often the smarter choice. Ultimately, a well-installed, durable door doesn't just make your home look better, it keeps your family safe, comfortable, and confident in every season.